Okay, continuing this review with problem 4 on your review packet. Let me move this. It says identify the scale factor that proves the similarity of the triangles above. So we need to compare corresponding sides. So let me compare the largest side of this triangle, the longest side 8, with the longest side of this triangle 32. And the scale factor would be 4 because 8 times 4 equals 32. Comparing the shortest sides, 2.5 and 10, 2.5 times 4 equals 10, and 7.5 times 4 equals 30. So the scale factor in this case is 4. If one of the answer choices was 1/4, we'd have 2 correct answers, because if you went from the large triangle to the small triangle, you'd get there by multiplying by 1/4. But it's not, so the correct answer of the answer choices we have to choose from is answer choice A. Next question, it says Roshan is plotting points to draw a parallelogram. Where should he plot the 4th point? First we need to remember what a parallelogram is. Parallelogram has opposite sides that are parallel and congruent. So we need to, well, let's just plot the first point. They give us -4, -3. Remember, this is x comma y, so -4x would be 4 to the left of the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. That puts us right at that point that was already there. And then -3y would be down 1, 2, 3, so there's the point. Now this side is 3 units long, and this side that's across opposite it is also 3 units long. They're parallel, opposite sides are parallel and congruent, so the very first answer choice is the correct one. If you plot the other 3 possible answer choices, you'll see that they do not produce sides that are congruent and parallel. Okay, problem 6 on your review. It says a spotlight can be adjusted to effectively light a circular area of up to 4.8 meters in diameter. So let's draw a circle. There's my center of my circle. There's the diameter, 4.8 meters. D equals 4.8 meters, okay. Which of the following best represents the maximum area that can be effectively lit by the spotlight, by a spotlight? So area equals pi r squared. Since we have a multiple choice question, we can estimate and say area is approximately equal to 3 for pi times r squared. And we don't have the radius, so we have to divide the 4.8 by 2. Radius equals diameter divided by 2, and that gives us 2.4 meters. So area is approximately equal to 3 times 2.4 squared. 2.4 squared means 2.4 times itself. 2.4 times 2.4. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. When we're multiplying by the 2, we're multiplying by 20, so we start with a 0. 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4. Add those up and you get 576. There's 1 decimal place in this factor, 1 decimal place in this factor, so we should have 1 plus 1, or 2 decimal places in our product. So area is approximately equal to 3 times 5.76. Now, if we multiply 3 times 5.76, and I'm not going to take the time to do it on the video, but it would give us 17.28, I believe, 17.28. But we could just estimate 5.6 is about 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Any way you do it, you're going to get an answer that's closest to the correct answer choice, which is answer choice C. Had we used pi exactly, or it's not exact, but had we rounded pi to the hundredths place and multiplied it by 5.76 to get the most precise answer, it would also be closest to the correct answer choice C. Okay, we'll pick up the review with problem 7 on the next video.